All right, so today, replacing this with a sequential turn signal on the side here. I just did the other side, so we're just gonna hop right into it and get started. I'm gonna fold it up this way just so you can see a bit better. First things first, you gotta pry the mirror away. So if you take a little interior trim tool, it's pretty easy to do that. Find a spot where you can get good leverage on it that you don't feel like you're gonna break any of the plastic behind here. I also recommend that you don't do this on a cold day where the plastic might be extra brittle and sensitive. There we go. Make note of the wires and which way they go, so blue, red if you've got it. Looking at the back of it, going left to right, that's how I'm gonna remember it. From here you're gonna need a T10. You've got one right here, one right here. Now, after we push these two tabs down, and mine are nice and easy to see because it's a red car, we can then pull this out and away. From here, we can pull off the mirror cap, and then we can push this down here. Give it a little squeeze, and there we go. Now that you've got this down, grab a little pick tool, and work this connector out just like that. And then the old turn signal's out. Grab the new one, plug it in. It has to be very dead on, otherwise it did not want to go on for me. So anyway, all right, so it's a bit difficult to show all of this. Basically this has to go into this, and while that's happening, you gotta get these back into this spot, which, depending on the way that you have it rotated, is a little finicky. However, I'm gonna go for it. All right, kind of finicky, but did manage to get it. Next up, go ahead and put your mirror cap back in. And this one, it sits a bit lower than I kind of originally thought, but there it is. And then go ahead, grab this guy, and this kind of fills everything else out. Slide it in on this side, kind of clamp it all together. Get these tabs pushed back where they belong. Just a little bit of leverage on that should do the trick. Just help it get over that. There we go. Then put the screws back in. One here. I do not have much power on this, and I'm going to follow up with a handheld tool. Make sure that your seams all line up and look nice and good. Then plug your mirror back in. I said it was blue-red from left to right. Blue and red. And then clip the mirror back in. Go inside, make sure that your mirror's in a good spot, and now we can check out the dynamic part of it. All right, so there it is. You saw it. Really like just the smoked aspect of this. This is definitely my favorite part of it personally, just not having this big white lens on a car that's otherwise just red and black. So really quite happy with that. Installation's not that bad. If you want to buy these or any tools that I've used in the video, that'll all be linked in the description as always. So thanks for watching.